Hello, in front of me I've got XGODY GPS navigation 718 Bluetooth. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to a wireless camera. In the beginning, let's take a look at the parts we've got with the wireless camera and also the instruction. As you can see on the instruction, the camera we've got is the top left part of the instruction, like this. So in order to connect the camera to navigation, firstly we have to connect this Bluetooth transmitter to a 2.5mm jack right here. So let's do it. Next, we've got the camera itself and the Bluetooth transmitter attached to camera. Firstly, you have to attach the camera to transmitter. Now when it's done, let's take a look. You can attach the camera under the license plate on the back of your car. And this part of the transmitter you have to plug to some power supply located in your car. Then, when you turn on the navigation, the transmitters will connect automatically to themselves. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.